Dear students, in this video we are going to see the construction and working of common rail diesel injection system or common rail direct injection system. It will be asked uh, as C or DI system in university exam questions. So common rail direct injection system. Generally, diesel engines have the specific advantage of good fuel efficiency and low carbon dioxide emissions. Therefore, various new technologies have been developed in order to reduce harmful emissions. One of such technology is common rail direct injection system of direct fuel injection. In this system, commencement of combustion takes place directly into the main combustion chamber located in a cavity on the top of the piston crown. The system injects diesel 5 times more accurately than the normal injection system by high response injectors with electronic control. It results the greater reduction of particulate matter and NOx, thereby improving the fuel efficiency and increasing its torque. So they lead to reduce engine noise and vibration. Okay, let us see the construction of CRDA. So it is having high pressure fuel pump. It is a multi-cylinder high pressure fuel pump. Common fuel rail. This is the common fuel rail. Injectors and engine control unit ECU. A common rail system consists of a pressure accumulator called common rail, or in simple word it can be termed as a fuel distribution pipe, which is mounted along the engine block. So which is mounted along the engine block. The rail is fed by a high pressure multi-cylinder fuel pump. The injectors are activated by solenoid valves. Both the solenoid valves and the fuel pump are electronically controlled. The entire system is electronically controlled. In the common rail injection system, the injection pressure does not depend on the engine speed and load. So the control of injection parameters is easy. Usually, a pilot injection is introduced in order to reduce engine noise and emissions, maybe NOx emissions. The injectors use a needle and seat type valve to control the fuel flow. The fuel pressure is fed to both top and bottom of the needle valve. The pressure on the top the pressure on the bottom will push the needle off its seat by bleeding some of the pressure of the top. Thus, the fuel will flow through nozzle holes. So this is the construction and working. In case of advantage, various advantages, it delivers 25% more power and torque than the normal direct injection engine. Its cost is very low and the superior pickup is also possible. It maintains lower level of noise and vibration. Higher mileage can be obtained and emissions are low. The fuel consumption is very less, and the improved performance can be obtained by using this kind of common rail direct injection system. By the same time, it is also having some disadvantages, like many parts involve the complicated design, and the production cost is comparatively high, and a higher degree of engine maintenance is required. So if this question is asked in an university examination, you have to draw the diagram, you have to write the construction, working, advantage and disadvantage. Most probably this question will be asked in 7 or 8 marks. So you cannot expect this question in 13 marks. So drawing is important. Based on the drawing, write the construction and working. Prepare well. Thank you.